guys, welcome to my channel Arpi's World. Those who are new here, this is Arpita. Hope you all are doing well. And before starting this video, I just want to give you all a very small disclaimer that this is not a recipe video. It is a pregnancy video, a motherhood video. In this video, I just want to talk about what we expect during pregnancy. So teenage girls may get bored. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll talk about the things which I had faced during my pregnancy, and I just want to say that every pregnancy is different, every woman is different, every body type is different. So the changes can be differ from one another, and so let's talk about the first trimester of the pregnancy. The first trimester of pregnancy, the things we expect are tiredness, nausea, fatigue, and hormonal changes, physical changes, because first time your body is experiencing a difference. Mood swings, which is you sometimes may feel emotional, sometimes you may feel angry, but you will never know the reason why you are feeling so. So these are the things you face during your first trimester, which is very difficult. It is the hardest part of the pregnancy, hardest phase of the pregnancy is your first trimester. And now let's talk about the second trimester. Second trimester is a honeymoon phase of your pregnancy, because if you are a fun-loving person, if you are a person who loves to travel, then this is the time you can plan with your partner, and you can really you can celebrate your pregnancy moments, because this time you're allowed for allowed to travel. You are allowed to fly, and obviously you have to get a certificate from your healthcare provider. And this is the time you can, if you are a fitness person, then you can do exercises. Yes guys, you can do exercises. And if you are if you are planning to go through a normal delivery, then you have to make your body according to that, and you have to do certain exercises to to make your body prepared for that. And experiencing changes in your belly, yes, you will feel you are having gastric on your belly, or you can feel there's butterfly under your tummy. So but it is actually a baby growing there, so you should never get afraid of all that. And so it is your baby. And in your second trimester, the most awaiting thing which every woman are very eager in their pregnancy is the time when you first experience the baby bump. And it is a very good feeling, I tell you guys. Now talking about the third trimester. Third trimester is full of up and downs, because there are very positive side of the third trimester, and some of the I'll not say it negative, but yes, they are not as appreciable like the second one. So the things which are good about the third trimester is that many of women start buying things for their newborn, and they get prepared themselves for the hospital. They prepare their hospital bags, they buy small clothes, they buy things, baby essentials, they start decorating their baby's nursery. So these are the best things about the third trimester. And the things which are we have to be concerned about are the things that on your third trimester you have to be ready for the delivery day, and you have to take a call that whether you want to go for a normal delivery, whether you have to go for a C-section. So it is a hard call, and you have to make it. You have to you have to conclude yourself for a decision that whether you are going to have a normal or a C-section delivery. And your baby bump will be on its extreme, you will be having a very heavy belly. But obviously it may differ to person. Personally, in my case, I didn't feel a thing. I didn't felt a thing on my third trimester, because my baby bump was not as heavy as like I have seen in different women. My baby mom was very small, and I didn't feel that much pressure on me that I don't want to do this and don't want to do that, and it has been very it has been a blessing like thing for me. And but it never happened with everyone. Your belly bump will be on its extreme, so you may feel the extra pressure, you may feel the back aches, you may have a swollen ankle. So these are the things you will be facing on your third trimester. And the positive side of your third trimester is that everyone will be knowing that you are pregnant. So you will be getting that 5-star princess kind of treatment everywhere where you go, and whether it's a restaurant or a mall, you will be taking extra care of. So it's the best part of the pregnancy. And some of the general things that which doesn't depends on trimester, it can be on any trimester, other things like acidity. You may feel acidity from your first trimester, or you may feel from your second trimester. You may feel only on your third trimester. So it depends upon the body type, but acidity is the thing which is very pathetic about the pregnancy, because when you feel hungry, you eat, and when you eat, you think like you have overeaten the things, and it leads to acidity. You feel heartburn. So obviously you have to talk to your healthcare provider if you are getting acidity like very frequently. Then talk to your healthcare provider and get anti-acidity medicine, and you will be sorted. And if you are a working woman, then the most problematic thing in the pregnancy is going frequently to the washroom, because as our uterus increase in size, then our bladder gets contracted, and we have that frequent urge of using washroom. And just because when you are a working woman, you have to use the public toilets, then you have to maintain that extra hygiene for yourself, because the immunity at that time is low. So you can never risk yourself or your baby for a single second. So you have to maintain your hygiene, you have to carry sanitizer, you have to carry toilet papers. And many of the women are like very sensitive to they have urine infection, so you have to take care of yourself on that time. And you will be sorted for the pregnancy. And trust me, if you are a woman, then no journey can be as beautiful as pregnancy. I'm telling you this. And on this note, I am signing off, and stay tuned till my next video. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope I have covered every point. But if I have left with anything, then please let me know in the comment section below. And till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.